What's going on, guys? I've been genuinely consumed by crypto content lately. Everything from total newcomer guides to supposedly exclusive professional methods about mining crypto without physical hardware. And what's honestly unsettling is this pattern that keeps appearing everywhere. I'm talking roughly 95% of these sites are openly promoting blatant scam operations. Platforms displaying obviously fabricated earning dashboards, services that suddenly require account verification deposits right when you attempt withdrawing, operations with absolutely zero verifiable proof they're mining anything on the blockchain. I genuinely developed serious skepticism about whether legitimate cloud mining even exists anymore, because the whole space seems completely overtaken by fraud. But yeah, I stumbled onto one app around 11 weeks back, and honestly, it remains the only platform I'd actually stake my credibility on. Like, I've executed numerous successful withdrawals, verified its legitimacy from multiple angles, and it's consistently proven reliable without any red flags.
All right, so let me walk through this right now so you see the entire process. So first move, tapping start mining. So here I'm choosing Solana right now, but this app actually processes mining for essentially every significant cryptocurrency available. Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, Tron, but I'm sticking with SOL for this demo. Okay, pressing continue now. Excellent. So at this stage, I need to provide my receiving address. So hopping into my wallet app, copying address, back to the app here, and pasting it into this box. Good. Now I'm adjusting hash rate, power, and mining speed. Just in plain terms, these parameters control how much computational muscle gets allocated to my mining and the processing pace. But catch this, it directly affects what you'll pay. So cranking these higher means I'll accumulate crypto faster, but service fees climb proportionally. Okay, this looked good for me. So next, I'm specifying my target amount. This displays how much cryptocurrency I'm targeting, its dollar equivalent, and the projected completion time. Okay, so now I'm firing up the mining operation, and awesome, we're running. And now let's give this some time. I'll speed this part up.
Nice, I've successfully mined Solana. But a critical detail here, the platform requires the infrastructure fee paid before processing any withdrawal. It's all itemized right here. So here's the energy that was consumed, here are the computing clusters that handled the job, plus the network transaction costs. So give me a moment. Good, now back to arcmine. Clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. And while we waitin', let me be honest about something, because I've been burned by scam platforms before finding arcmine, and I think sharing that experience is actually more useful than any feature breakdown. So about 5 months back, I deposited around $3,000 into some platform that was being heavily promoted across YouTube and Instagram. All looked professional, testimonials seemed real, but the moment I tried withdrawing, they hit me with a surprise tax clearance fee that wasn't mentioned anywhere beforehand. And like an idiot, I paid it thinking it was legitimate, and then suddenly they needed additional identity verification, which required yet another deposit. And that's when I realized what was happening.
Here's the simplest advice I can give based on getting burned. Test withdrawals before trusting any platform. Deposit the minimum first, verify it actually hits your wallet smoothly, and if anything unexpected appears during withdrawal, like surprise fees or sudden verification requirements, stop immediately and accept whatever loss rather than depositing more trying to recover funds, because that escalation trap is exactly how scams maximize damage. And keep realistic expectations about returns, because legitimate mining generates modest, consistent results, not fantasy profits. And anyone promising otherwise is running a scam. So yeah, links in the pinned comment and description. Start tiny, test withdrawals first, stay skeptical, and drop your honest experience in the comments after trying it.